Welcome to my channel. My name's Emily, the Petite Beauty blogger, and in today's video I'll be doing a makeup Q&A. So on my Instagram stories I did a question sticker, and I asked people to send in questions, and I've picked my favourite ones to answer, and here we go. So the first one I'm going to is how to cover dark circles. Now when you look at dark circles, they're kind of a bit bluey undertone, maybe purpley. What you need to cover dark circles is an orangey kind of colour corrector. You can get the colour corrector palettes. I have the next one which I love. Now to work out what to cover, I'll put up a colour wheel here. Now when you look at a colour wheel, there's colours that are opposite each other and they will cancel each other out. So if you say have a bruise or something, you see what colour the undertone has and you go opposite the colour wheel to choose the colour to, you know, correct it. Now when you have redness, you usually use green because it's opposite the colour wheel, and yeah, so you follow the colour wheel and you go the opposite, and that is going to help cancel it out. Now the next question I got is what is my favourite makeup brand. Now I don't really have a favourite makeup brand. I have a few. Makeup Revolution, they are really good if you want a cheaper brand, and I use a lot of them as you've seen on my channel. Now I don't own much of Fenty Beauty, but what I do own I love, and of course I love Rihanna. I love Beauty Bay. I own a lot of their eyeshadow palettes and I really love them. They're a really good cheaper brand with some killer products, and yeah. And oh, and NYX, of course, I am obsessed with NYX. And the next question I got, favourite highlighter, Makeup Revolution Ice, no question about it, I use it all the time. Today actually though I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. That is incredible. Right, the next question I like is how old were you when you started doing makeup? Now I was quite young when I started enjoying makeup. As a child I always used to knit makeup and I put it everywhere. I remember once as a child putting black lipstick right here. Don't ask me why. I love to experiment. I was always known for going out with a red lip when I was like 10. Mum didn't really seem to care, and to be honest I always wore makeup for dance shows and I was obsessed with it. I always did my own makeup and I loved it, and yeah, and that's what started my love for makeup. And kind of the next question, which is quite handful, the next one is when I first became a makeup artist. Now I got qualified over a year ago, but I obviously started a few years ago. I can't give you a specific date because actually I am a qualified hairdresser, but that didn't work out for me because my true calling was makeup and I love it. I can't tell you when because it was just a few years ago, but I think I might have officially been about 19, because I remember 19 I think is when I got my first job for a wedding where I did her makeup and her hair and her bridesmaids, which was one of the coolest experiences ever. Right, next question, I think I'll do 3 more questions. Favourite lipstick. I get a lot of favourite product answers. Now I'm wearing it today. This one, check out my full face of luxury makeup to find out the story about this, but it's my favourite kind of pink. And how cool is this? It's got a button and it pulls out, which I love. I think it's so cool. So next question I got is my favourite YouTuber. Now I don't watch a lot of beauty YouTubers because I only really watch the ones that don't really cause drama and things like that. I mean, I love Nikki Tutorials. She is a queen. I'm obsessed with her. I like Alyssa Ashley. She does incredible videos with, like, you know, she does the Mystery Makeup Mondays, which I was obsessed with. It's not makeup, but I love Simply Now Logical. She's one of my favourites, and I just watch a handful of Disney people. But makeup, I don't really watch that many people with makeup. If you have any suggestions on beauty YouTubers that are not as well known and not really in the drama and things like that, then comment down below, give me some suggestions. I did watch for a tiny bit Jackie Aina. I really like her. I'm trying to think. I think that's it for beauty YouTubers. Gosh, I don't really watch that much. I try and, you know, do my own views and all of this, and I'm not really into, you know, the tea or the drama. I'm just here to have fun with makeup. Now, last question, because I have got to go. So this is going to be a really short and sweet video. I got asked on my favourite makeup artists. Now, I have a couple. My ultimate favourite is of course Pat McGrath. Obviously you'll see her makeup all the time in Vogue. I buy every issue of Vogue, see all her makeup. She's my ultimate favourite makeup artist. I love her so much. If you're watching, which you're probably not, I love you. And she did also comment on one of my Instagram posts once, because I loved one of her makeup looks on her Vogue cover. I'll put up the picture up here, because I love her makeup so much, and I'm dying at some point to get one of her palettes. They cost over £100 and I'm not made of money, so I'm really hoping to someday own one, because I don't spend a lot of money on much, just makeup. And I saw one which had this gorgeous green, which I'm dying to try. It's on her Instagram and I really want it, so I hope to get it someday. Just a lot of saving first. So thank you for watching this very short and sweet Q&A. I can do way more videos on these. All you have to do is follow my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger, and I will put polls and questions and things like this up on my story if you want to see more. And I hope you enjoy the questions. If you have any other questions, of course you can always comment down below and I will put them all together in a, you know, I'll write them all down ready for another video. And of course, I hope you like the video. I'll put all my social medias in the description box down below. And as always, I hope you're staying safe and well, and I'll see you in the next video.